Hello and welcome. Next I'd like to show you that how to use these metallic clamps. And there is one clamp, what is this heavy duty model, and then there is this standard metallic clamp. And this clamp's idea is always that we are planning to insert some plastic or rubber hose, and then we need to fasten that hose in against some metallic part. And here is I have one example, and this part is like BMW's this this is like intake pipe, and this material is aluminium, and there is this rubber hose, and in that area there is this metallic clamp. And these clamps what looks like this, whereas actually there is no any joint. There should be this is there is joint in here. This is made by BMW's factory. But then if we have some open hose where we need to connect some things, we are then using normally that kind of metallic clamps what we can open and close. And next I will show that how this opening happens. It happens so that first we must have some kind of metallic clamp, and these metallic clamps are very different sides, like in that sides, and then we have like small sides, what is this one, small size clamps, and then we have also very huge big clamps, and everything what we select is based on this rubber or plastic hose. This means that what is this clamp's size, and like in here I have this clamp, what this length is in here to here, it is about 40 millimeters, and that's I need clamp what is in that distance. And this clamp is range is, when we look in here, this is made by Terry UK, like in England. There is maximum amount is 50 millimeter and minimum is 32, and that means that when I have 40 it belongs just in here. And then when I have inserted that clamp in here, next important thing is to fasten that clamp. And how it happens, we have basic idea is that we can use this screwdriver versus this flathead, and this normally works quite okay, but this is quite heavy because these clamps, this friction is quite hard, and it's better to use better things, like we can purchase special clamp, this French, and this clamp screwdriver, and this head in here fits directly in that head, and it's actually the size looks like 7 millimeter, and then when I rotate that, this my clamp opens and closes, and when I insert that in here, I need to only little bit fasten that my clamp, and then it is tight in that way. When I rotate, soon this clamp takes contact. I rotate, and this part in here, this is moving, and this all time when I rotate, this part, this belt moves, and now when I rotate that more, soon this my belt takes contact. Okay, and now this belt took contact, and now there is contact, and this part has to move, and now it fastens in so far away. When this part ends in here, there is this thread in here, like rail. Okay, and this clamp is like standard in normal things, and there is something it keeps normal things in position, but then when we need high pressure clamp, we use this kind of clamps, what is more wider, and then this bolt is bigger. And like in that my pipe, there is 10 bar this pressure, and if we use so heavy these pressures, then we need better clamps like that one. And this one goes nicely also in here, and then this size is 10 millimeter, and we can use this 10 millimeter socket, and then when I insert that in here, I use this my friends, and then I can start to fasten that my clamp, and then this joint is tight. Now I fasten. Okay, and this part moves in here, that part. Okay, and now this my joint is fastened. And this is this idea how these metallic clamps works. And there is also this nice hose and pipe, and there are tools. And this was this information, and thank you for watching that video, and have a nice day to you.